Hello all, I am Professor Praveen Singh from Information Technology Department, St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology. I welcome you all on the technical session on creating an educational website using Google Site. As we all know, there are multiple website builder tools are available in market, and to create website using these tools you may need some IT expert, and hence to build internal project hubs, team sites, public facing websites and more, all without designer, programmer or IT engineer help is little bit difficult for non-IT faculties. With the new Google Sites, building website is easy. Just drag the content where you need it. When you create a new site, it's automatically added to Google Drive, like your other files stored in Google Drive. You can edit a Google site together with someone else in real time and see each other's changes live. You can also publish the site for everyone to see or restrict sharing permission and make the site accessible only to people you want to share it with, like vendors or suppliers. Google Sites websites are responsive, which means they are optimized for tablets and smartphones too. If we compare Sites to WordPress, Google Site is less intuitive than Wix or UKit, yet it's undoubtedly easier to use than WordPress. WordPress has a higher learning curve for first time users, yet in the end it offers more freedom. The second is the website builder is quite easy to use, yet it offers a nice feature set to start and manage a quality website. As far as the system is a Google product, it's tightly integrated with other Google application and services. Browse the list to discover the available options and decide which apps might be good addition to your project. Thus, the website builder allows using Google Maps, YouTube, Calendar, Hangouts and other apps that will seamlessly synchronize with your website. Third is WordPress doesn't offer included hosting and theme, which is both an advantage and a disadvantage. Last is WordPress is an open source content management system, which means it has a potential huge set of features. WordPress is highly extensible. You can add various plugins to get the desired functionality. So, without wasting much time, let's start from beginning. First, go to google.com. Click on 9 dots available in right top corner. You will get various Google app list. Scroll it down. Here we will get Google Sites logo if it is included or used once by user at least once, else you have to click on more from Google. Here you will see the long list of Google products. Scroll and search for Google Site application and click on it. After clicking, enter your username and password. You will get this screen, followed by the screen. After this screen is a welcome screen for first time user. This window to look is very much similar to Google Slides window, consisting of plus sign representing new site creation, whereas others on the right hand side is a predefined website templates. We'll go with new website creation by clicking on plus sign. Before creating the website, first look up the various naming different parts of your site. Here I have differentiated into three categories. The one was known as site document name, which represents is a unique name to keep track of your site. This site document name is only visible to you, similar way as you give name to file system. Second is a site name. The site name appears in the header and in the web or mobile window title bar after you publish the site. You need to have two or more pages in your website for your site name to appear. The third one is page title. In each page in your site has a title which appears at the top of the page. The page title also appears in the navigation menu. Start with the demonstration. When you will enter your username and password, you will see this window. In this window, just go to create. In this, there are two options: in new site, which is recommended, and in classic site. Classic sites creation is a little older version. We'll select a new site. This will open in a new tab. Yes, you will get this window. This is the default window or template for your website. You just previously have talked about this. Here, this is the site name. What I'll do, I'll just put it as my first website. This is a site name. I'll give my name, and this is a title. What we'll do, we'll create one educational theme like website. Say we'll create programming skills. We can select from here if you want title like this. Select it, title. We can drag it. Suppose if you want to make it some bold, you can make it as bold. If you want to change the background image, select it from here. Select the image. You can also upload if you have some. What I am doing, I am selecting from the web, from the predefined templates. These are the various predefined. What I'll do, I'll select this one. Select. You will see it is automatically adjusting its readability and will look like this. This is your front page. If you want to use your own picture, you can, or if you want to put your some group picture, you can also put it. Now, this on the right hand side, you will see three menus, that is insert. Insert consists of this kind of menus, means what you exactly want to insert: text box, images, or you want to embed something, or you want to put something from Google Drive. These are the layouts, which kind of layouts you want. These are the various tools. We'll use some of them for our example. What we'll do, we'll first create a text box. Say this text box consists of my details, about my courses, whatever. We can select it, If you want to put it in a center alignment, just select it from here and put it in a center. If you want to make it as a heading, you can also set it as. Now suppose if I want to put some kind of layout, say consider this layout. See, this consists of two things. One is an object in which you can drag and drop any of the things, and here you can mention about that thing. For example, for this, what we can do, we can upload something from YouTube. Say, what I'll do, introduction to C language. I am selecting this. You will see it will appear here, and you can put learn C language basics from this video. If you want to put another video, just you can use the same thing, or if you want to publish two videos, you can use this. If you drag here, this will give one option, delete. I am deleting. And this, what I'll do, same thing I'll repeat. I'll put upload some videos related to say C or C something, whatever. Introduction to Java. We'll select this, and similarly here upload your own video. If you have recorded, you can select the image. If you have something in your drive, you can also share it here. But for this example, I am using YouTube. Introduction to Python. Say this one. So the video has been created, the link has been generated, and we can add learn Java here, learn Python. Suppose if you want to add something else, suppose for example, I want to put it or reference of some kind of notes. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just insert a button. Okay, like in HTML we provide a link to other website. In Google Slide you can insert a button. Say insert button. Say for example, I'll name it as C language, and about the link, suppose I'll search basic tutorial. Say consider tutorials point. What I'll do, I'll just copy this link here and will paste here and insert. This is one. See, we have kept the site name as Praveen Sen. It is visible here. What I'll do, we'll just repeat the thing. we'll insert one more button, say for example Java. Yes, we'll copy, we'll paste. If you see, these are the two way buttons vertically up and down. We can adjust this in a horizontal way like this. And if you want to add one or two more, you can repeat the same process. Now, suppose if I want to add another thing, from here we can also add the map. In a map, we'll give, say, Saint Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering, Nagpur. It will select this and I will put it here. You will see a map on the left hand side. Now you can see we have created a basic web page. Now after creation, you want to see the preview, how it looks. So you can go to this preview section. This option provides you three things: how it looks in desktop, how it looks in your tab, as well as how it looks in your mobile phone. We'll exit from the preview, and now suppose I want to publish my website. This is done. Now I want to publish. What I'll do, I'll just click on publish, add a name to the end of the URL, say without space. It is automatically taken as Praveen Sen. If it is available, now under who can view my website, you can change the setting by clicking on manage. It will open this window, and if you want to share with people or groups who are developing website in associated with you, that means if you want other people to give some kind of input to your website, you can put their email address there and you can ask them to join and make the modifications. Got it? In this link part, we have two options, draft and site. In draft is used to allow people in your domain or specific people to edit the draft version of your site. And in published, it is used to allow people in your domain or specific people to view your published site. If you want to change it, you can change it. Click on Done. Click Publish. Here you can see the published website. If you want to make any kind of changes or if you want to add something into it, you have to first unpublish it and then you have to make modifications. Like you have to go to unpublish, then again unpublish your site. Now you can make the changes. I hope I have completed the basic structure and basic making of your website.